Hi guys, welcome from Salou. So as you can see behind us, we're at the Hotel Belvedere. It's an absolutely massive hotel here in Salou, and it's so close to Portaventura. It's probably about a 10-minute walk. It's only 14 kilometres from the actual airport, so it's not far at all. I mean, we've hired a car. I mean, in terms of logistics of getting here, there's all sorts of transfers, buses, trains, and the train station is not far from here as well. And also in terms of buses and taxis, we've done all sorts coming here because we've been here numerous times before. We've decided to hire a car today because we're going to have a trip across to Barcelona, and we're going to be going to Tibidabo, and that's tomorrow. But for about this hotel, this is Hotel Belvedere. It's a 3-star hotel and it's absolutely massive. But what it's actually cost us is it's roughly about £55 a night. So it's really is cheap. So and how are you enjoying it, Casper?
It's actually so nice. We've been here for like 4 sleeps, was it?
Yeah. So we've been here for four nights already. So we're really enjoying it. And in terms of, so it's the off-season, because the time of recording is actually April at the moment, so it is the off-season. It's approximately 20 degrees at the moment, so we've still got t-shirts on, shorts on, so it's great for us here in the summer, but it's not the peak season. So the hotel you can just see behind me there, that's the H10, which is one of the main hotels which serves the Portaventura theme park. So in terms of this actual hotel, it's ideal if you're staying at Portaventura, because I say it's about a 10-minute walk, saves you paying for parking and all that sort of stuff. We're stopping here for 4 nights, and we're actually going to head across to the Portaventura hotel as well. So we'll have a separate vlog for that if you want to check that out and see how they differ. And it's also about roughly a 10-minute walk to the beach, do you reckon?
Yeah.
So it's a 10-minute walk.
10 or about like 12.
10 or 12, Casper says. So yeah, so that's Hotel Belvedere. Come with us, let's go check it out. So we've just come into the bar area now. So this place is open from 10 AM until midnight. So it's quite a long opening. So we get all your drinks and stuff in here. Now there's a number of different options available here, from just having your room only, to going half board, full board, all the way up to all inclusive. And we're actually on full board, so we're getting breakfast and we're getting evening meals here as well. And all that £55 really is cheap, and I don't know how they managed to do it. And the rooms, for the money, are fantastic. They are small. You'll see that once we go up there and we check them out. But yeah, so this is the bar area. So it's great. What do you think, Cass?
It's actually looks so good. It's got a stage right over there.
It has, yes. So just behind me here. So that's where they have the nighttime entertainment, which is right there. So yeah, so we're going to check out this pool area. So this is the main outdoor pool here. As you can see, there's a number of different slides available, which are just over that way there. I mean, at the moment, the water is incredibly cold, and I'm not inclined to get into that because it's quite... you went in there yesterday, Casper, so what did you think about the water?
It was actually so good, but it wasn't now when it was a kiddie one.
So you went into the kids area, so we'll go and have a look at the kids area. So this is the main adult area, and as you can see, there's a big pool, and there's 2 slides which serve into that there. But the water is really cold. And there's the main outdoor bar area, which is over there. It's got a selection of alcoholic beverages available, and of course the outdoor WCs as well. But yeah, we'll go and check out the kids area now. So as you can see, that's the children's area. The looping slides going down there, and it's got all sorts of the water that's going, effects that go off around the outside. Now yesterday this water was absolutely freezing. You can see there's the bucket that's just filled up and sprayed everywhere there. And there's a nice little kids slide here as well too. It's all on the astroturf as well, so you don't burn your feet. So what did you think, Cass?
So I went on that yesterday. I was actually so good, but I was actually so scared because it was so cold.
It was. So all that, yes, you can see the bucket's at the top there, and that fills up.
I was so scared because the bucket was actually going to go.
Yeah, as you can see, it's going to go.
I'm going to like so scared because that bucket's going to drop on my head and it's going to like freezing cold. It was like freezing cold just in the water was.
Oh right, okay. And and how did you feel when it was really cold? You didn't like it, did you? No. So that's one point of note. This time of year, if you're heading towards Salou, the water is very cold. I mean, a lot of the hotels actually have their pools closed at the moment. There it is again. So yeah, so the water is really cold, but the sun, I mean, it's 20 degrees, so it's nice enough for us, but it's not red hot, which is good. And the hotel does also house a shop as well, which has got all sorts of stuff that you might need while you're here. And that's open from 9 until 11, and then from 7 until 10 o'clock. There's all sorts of little knickknacks in there that you might want to pick up. Next door to that, there is also a little mini arcade as well. So Casper, what's one of the
I'm going to go give Brendan my extra key so she can use it.
You want to have a go on that one? So this machine here, and it is a euro. So I'll see if I've got that money in here. Right, so Casper's putting the euro in. Here we go, he's going to have to go on this machine. So is he going to win? That's the question. This is just turning into push time wins this. That's how I go. It's going down. Is he going to grab it? Oh, he's won. He's won. There we go. What have you won?
A gun.
You've won a gun. Alright. You're just trying to be like me there, aren't you? So, what is it? So fire little things out of it.
Yeah.
There we go. So that's something that you can win here. Should we have a look at the other machines that are over here, dude? Let's go have a look. Let's see what they've got.
Ooh, I like this game.
So there's this one. Oh, is this so what have you got to do? You've got to stack the blocks evenly, get all the way to the top for minor prize, and then for a major prize, which is listed as a GoPro or an iPhone, then you get to win those, presumably. So that's one of them, and that is priced at, how much is it? Is it €1 for one go? I think it is.
Yeah, I want to have a go.
It's €1 for one go.
Then have a go.
And here, there's, you've got to get the machines, which is €1 for a go. Line it up with the holes there with the keys on, push it through, and then knock off whatever the prize is. So, I imagine that's quite hard. And you can win some plushies here as well. So little sparkly ones, and there's a narwhal here. Of course, as with all these hotels, there is an animation team, and there's a list of all the different things that they're actually doing on the different days here. So we've got frisbee, we've got darts, there's dominoes, dancing, mini disco, ping pong, bingo, and all sorts of crazy games as well. So that's what's available here at the Hotel Belvedere. Okay, just come outside the hotel because I'm just going to show you how close we are to Portaventura. Now, from our room, you can actually see Shambhala, which is the B&M hypercoaster, it's 250 feet. And you can also see Red Force at Ferrari Land. That's the 350-foot Intamin accelerator coaster. Now, we're going to be going to them in a couple of days' time, but I just wanted to show you, if anybody's wanted to a cheap hotel that's in close proximity, I'll show you how close we are. And so you can see it from our balcony, but we've just walked out the entranceway there. I'm just going to walk to where you can actually see. So, all you have to do is literally walk to the corner. And how close do you think we are, dude?
I think we're actually very close to our actual park.
A point of note for this time of year as well is there's actually a football tournament that's taking place called the Mare Nostrum, something we weren't really aware of. And I think it's the local hotels offering cheap deals, and there's basically a big amateur football tournament. There's people from all over the world, and there's about 6 buses that coaches that turned up to take people away. So it is busy with that. I mean, it hasn't affected our stay. It's not made it busy at all, but it's just a lot of people in the hotel, if that makes sense. So we just walked to the end of the road here, and you will be able to see Red Force in just a moment if I turn the camera around. There we go. So I'm at the corner, so you can just see through. I'll turn the camera around there, through the trees, just there. And that is Red Force that was just located there. So as you can see, it is incredibly close. And that is the Hotel Belvedere. So we'll do the full room tour shortly, and I'll show you everything that there is there. So they are quite small rooms, but they've got everything that you need in there. So yeah, Hotel Belvedere, come check it out. Okay, just timed in. It's taken approximately 9 minutes to get to the point where you can just see Red Force behind me. Of course, that's part of Ferrari Land, separate gate, which is next door to Portaventura, but it's actually adjoined entrances, so it's the same point of access. But it is a separate gate. If you want to know more about that, we are going to be going into both Ferrari Land and Portaventura, so check out those vlogs if you want to know more about getting to Portaventura and Ferrari Land and what there is to offer there as well, because we will be having separate vlogs there. We've not been yet, but we will be going, and we'll have all the information required on there. Yeah, so 9 minutes, not bad at all. So yeah, we're just gonna have a wander around now, but we'll have a wander around, we'll get back and we'll check out the hotel and we'll show you what's there in the rooms. Right, so Casper's leading us down to our room here. So we're on the 3rd floor. There's 6 floors on here, and we're on the 3rd, so about halfway up.
So we're on 1359.
That's it. For anybody who wants to know, we're in room 1359, which is a family room.
You've got to find it.
So,
Which is here.
and this is our room here, so let's go inside.
Hello.
And there's the girls waiting for us.
Hello.
Here they are.
Hello.
So this is our room. As I mentioned, it is quite cosy. We've got 2 children and 2 adults. So we've got Casper in that bed, and we've brought our own bed as well. So we've got the air bed, and that's where Eden sleep in there. In terms of the actual facilities that we've got, there is a safe available there. Just excuse all the mess. We've actually been in here for a few days. And there is a clothing area as well there. In terms of the bathroom, let's turn the light on. There's a lovely shower that's available. It's nice. It comes with some soap and conditioner as well. And these have been recently renovated in the last sort of 18 months or so as well. So yeah, that's the bathroom. Nice piece of distance. So I'm just going to have a look out onto the balcony and show you the view from here, because this is the best part about the room, really. So as you step out here, and you just see between those buildings there, you can see, oh, I'm looking pointing in the right direction, there is Shambhala. And just above that one, you can see Red Force up there as well. So just that stone's throw wedge, 9-minute walk. Portaventura, you can see Shambhala's just going up over the camel humps there. Yeah, so and that's the H10 building. That's not currently open at the moment because it is out of season. And some buses down there, as mentioned about the football tournament, because they're coming and going quite regularly. So this is our balcony. So it's quite a decent sized balcony as well, with a nice little aerator as well. So yeah, that is the Hotel Belvedere.